Hello, hello. Well, we are back home officially from our vacation and it started to rain, so it's time to do repairs on our motorhome. On the motorhome, on the roof. Everything came in, so let's go and see how we're gonna do that. First, we need to put it inside the shop. But the problem is, shop is occupied.
Full to the top.
Full to the top. We have to empty it. Let's go and see what our boys are doing. It's raining outside. Okay, we'll see. Uh-oh, they're waiting on me. Uh-oh. Yeah, let's pull it out and park the bus inside. You don't know what to do? It's raining. So we'll pull it out. Hey, watch this side, Philippe.
How is it?
My side is good.
Yeah, that's good. That's not good.
Sтой. Sтой. Okay, Philippe, go help him. Yeah, you're good. I think we should invest some money in the tug.
I am the tug.
You the tug.
Okay.
Hopefully one of these evenings will go flying, but it's lots of smoke. Alberta is still on fire. BC is on fire. Can't see nothing besides smoke, smog, mud, whatever. So this is how they close the doors.
I need to go the next hangar doors. This sucks.
It's on a bucket list.
Yeah.
How's the airplane coming?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's almost ready for a flight here shortly.
Yeah.
We'll do a quick flight and then it's ready to go. What's it called? Quick pre-flight, I meant to say. Yeah. It's got the portable, foldable wings.
Yeah, the wings are right there.
Hey, can you talk? Hey, can you push it in?
Oh, here's the trouble. Here's the trouble. Ah, Jacob. No, he doesn't want to work. How's your umbrella working for you?
Good.
There's no rain inside the shop, you know that?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. I love that sound. Huh?
no black people in our family. No, закрывай надо. No, let me out first.
Nice. Nice.
A little bit easy.
Hey, Captain. Where you going?
Home.
Let's go see what they have been done. Oh wow.
Nothing special.
How's your progress?
Slow.
Slow go?
Well, you can't get it done in a couple minutes.
Okay. Well, let's get up and look. We got all that parts off. We need to clean it. Yeah, we need one of those new fans.
Men inte att det är så rivets att vi är sväljer ihop med korting.
Well, you might have to put a bigger bit.
Yeah, big. Okay.
Bigger bit. And just cut the top off and the rest of it, picking them out with a...
That's what it looks like, guys.
Is it ugly out there?
Det kan vi stödja.
Yeah, no, not really. It's not that ugly. Oh, they moved the rivets already on one side, kind of. That's a lot of work. You're doing a good job, Junior. Well, I think this side of the motorhome is done. And we'll go take a look on the other side. How's it going?
It's been tough.
You guys almost 8 hours on it.
Yeah, like 8 people.
Yeah.
I work like 4, I guess. I eat like 4. No, it's been, it usually takes about, I think, 40 man hours to do a roof properly.
Well, this one's different.
There's different ways of doing things.
It's got rivets, not screws.
I think rivets a lot better, these guys here, because these units will flex as you drive, and screws have tendency to unscrew themselves. Since it's aluminum inner structure, not much can go wrong with these things. They're well built, actually. People will sit around and talk shit about them, but they're well built. If you take a trailer with a Ripley metal, whatever we call those, we call it corrugated metal. Those things are junk. Like they use like a 1x2 construction, staples. They're only gonna last you about 5-6 years.
Sometimes they put that insulation, the pink insulation,
Not
it's
much
like
of it.
R10, maybe R5 in it.
R2.
We took so many apart, so we know. We're like pros when it comes to that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this one actually built really well.
For the year and the design of it, there's a few things I would have done differently, but it's easier to redesign somebody else's.
Somebody else's design.
Yeah. So
But it's harder to,
come up with yourself.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah, like these things are solid for what, 28 years old unit? It's pretty solid.
So we will have to repair one vent
I don't know.
that it doesn't work.
No, I fixed that one.
The motor works?
Yeah, the only thing we need to do is suck out like the turd smell and then the kitchen smell. We don't need that blowing thing here. Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you guys when we're gonna put the glue on. The fun part, the easy part.
Well, it takes longer to prep it, take it apart, like messing around. A lot of these screws like here, you can't even get them undone because they went in there and locked up, I don't know, into aluminum. So I gotta figure out how to drill it out or something. But it's easy. It looks scary. Once you cover up, it's good.
But look around at the homestead. Potatoes are nice and green. They froze twice already, came back again.
Yeah, we're so lucky we get frost twice in the June.
Yeah. Okay, see you guys tomorrow probably.
Take your shoes off. Yeah, carry that. Good boy.
So, this is the product in the roll.
It's got the eggshell. Come on, focus.
It's not thin, it's really nice stuff. I will leave the description in the descriptions below where I got this stuff from Amazon.
But it's just a decor product. And this is the bond adhesive. A and B, I guess. Or B and...
Both the same
I guess I read things backwards. And this is the same idea except different...
manufacturer. This is from previous repairs we got it from. So I paid $128 per gallon on Amazon too, and we paid $11.50 for this roll. It's how long is it? 9 foot?
9'6", actual 9'7"
By
by 35 feet. Keep her clean. Grab it. Keep her clean. Keep her straight. Don't touch anything else. Don't. Okay, lay down.
don't bend it, and see you guys up on top.
Okay. Lay down. Pick it up. You just go to you. Okay, something maybe like this. Right? Maybe. Okay. So, unroll it.
Halfway.
Unroll it.
Basta tampa pa ka.
Philip, don't.
Okay, stop.
Pick it up.
Pick it up over that. Igor, bend over. Don't do that. Like that. Bend over. Don't kneel down.
Okay. This is actually a lot better stuff than
The other stuff.
what
Because the other stuff came in the box.
it came in a box, but it was thicker. Okay, how far do we go?
Okay, jump over that sewer lines. Stop. Right there. Okay. Stop. Now, what I'm going to do, find a center line, because I got a center line there.
Tama things.
I know there's a vent. Yeah, so we roll this product down, the glue. We use a small roller. And then we're only going to do halfway point. We roll that back, and we're going to roll it here shortly. Okay, so we're starting to roll this thing here. We've got some air bubbles here and there. Nice and easy.
So now roof is almost finished. This side is done. And I think they did a really good job. We even installed the little gutter for the water.
So when we have an oncoming passing traffic, we can actually spray a little bit of water on them.
Hey, how come you're wearing a toque? It's June.
Because it's 50-mile-an-hour gusts outside. Should show them how we strap the plane down.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's go show 'em. to the truck. See the strap? Giving the hanger door.
This sucks. This is like 3 days in a row already.
Our playhouse went down this morning. Our smaller greenhouse ripped apart. Even myself, I'm wearing a toque. It's June.
June 19th or 20th?
19th. Oh. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the sock. It's like totally the opposite direction. So this is the last piece. And I think 2 more vents needs to get done. Well, let's go up.
Hey, look, we can actually put these down. Okay.
So looking good.
Yeah, good that we take a union pride in everything we do.
We took Union Pride.
Whatever that's supposed to mean. No, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet there. This is actually a better system.
So we're installing rivets,
On the cheap trailers we use screws,
screws.
but the tendency, because those things are shaped to the road, I've seen them come undone and they start leaking. And these are riveted in, only in high-end stuff. High-end stuff like Discoveries, Dodge Stars.
Done.
Same rivet gun, we use that on airplane.
Yeah, it's right here. They did the tail section already.
We did a lot of work done on it.
And this is the gutter.
Potential leaks I'm doing. Gotta poke a hole in a rubber membrane.
It's not just the rubber, because this stuff goes on the bottom of the trim too. Yeah. So by the time you'll be done, you'll be 40 hours into it.
Like I said, pretty much.
40 hours, man hours. So this is like rivets, put it in.
You don't put these in.
Junior's helping.
Everybody's helping. Except me. Which one did we do already? Ooh, that much, huh?
Even Philip's right, Philip? He's a British seater. we have a new kitty. Shop cat. And I've got a new Vans caps. Like original, this is a new one. You put this over that one and you can leave it open and drive with the open vent so it doesn't break. Yeah.
We're gonna install them right now here shortly. We'll
Oh,
jump up there.
you guys are done. That's not fair.
Takes a lot longer prepping it.
Got it installed.
I was running some nice beats until you turned the camera on.
You're doing good. It's like welding, same idea.
I have my day.
When nobody's watching, you're doing a great job welding.
No, where it doesn't really matter, nobody's gonna see it. It looks beautiful. But when it's in front of your face, it's like you gotta have a run or burn a hole.
No, your fucking job looks good. Yeah, it takes a long time to do a roof. So it's the next day. Everything's nice and dry. Put all the vents. So this is a finished product, you guys. So tell us. Uh-oh. Jacob, are you driving? No air.
No air, no horn.
So you all done?
I'm done. But there's a lot of little things gotta get done. Toilet's leaking. Bottom, that's gonna get fixed.
No, we just pull the toilet out, put a bucket in.
That's right. That's what it's called. Shit on the bucket.
Shut in the bucket.
No, we'll fix it. Fix it nicely. I think it's missing a gasket or something. Not a big deal.
We're planning another trip, you guys, so stay put.
Not sure where yet.
If you haven't subscribed, please do. And follow us on Facebook. Not a Facebook. We don't have a Facebook. On YouTube, I guess. Follow us on YouTube.
We're good at advertising, are we?
Well, thanks for watching and see you guys on the next one. Bye now.